Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete chats in Snapchat. Now, if you are chatting with somebody and you don't want to chat with them anymore because they are boring or you just don't want to do it, here is an easy way how to delete Snapchat chats. First, of course, you want to open up Snapchat. Once you have opened up Snapchat, go to the chats. Once you are here in the chats, you want to locate that person, the chat you want to delete from. So, to easily do it, just hold down onto it, click on Chat Settings, and then click on Click from Chat Feed. And then Snapchat is going to ask you, are you sure you want to clear this conversation? Where you basically say yes or clear to confirm. And that's it. Once you click clear, you won't be able to see any messages you had with this contact. Now, there are some other chat settings you can play around, such as delete chats after viewing. So that, for example, if you view what somebody sent you and you exit Snapchat, it will be deleted immediately, or you can delete it after 24 hours after viewing. So that it speeds up the process with that specific person. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. If this video helped you out, please leave me a comment down below so that I know I helped you out. Or if this didn't help you out, leave me a comment and I will help you to get your problem fixed. Bye.